Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for JEE preparation. First, set up a dedicated workspace in Notion to centralize all your study materials. Create individual pages for each subject, such as physics, chemistry, and mathematics, to keep everything organized. You can also leverage Notion's versatile templates to build effective daily schedules and comprehensive weekly study plans, ensuring you cover all necessary topics efficiently. Next, effectively organize your study materials within Notion. Keep all your notes, essential formulas, and practice problems neatly stored within their respective subject pages. Implement databases to meticulously track each chapter and topic, marking their completion status as you progress. This systematic approach helps you monitor your learning journey and identify areas needing more attention. To maximize your preparation, track your progress and revise smartly. Utilize Notion's database properties to set up a spaced repetition system for effective recall of information. Develop a consistent revision schedule to regularly revisit challenging topics and reinforce your understanding. Furthermore, meticulously monitor your performance on mock tests, noting scores and identifying specific weak areas for targeted improvement. Finally, leverage some advanced Notion features to enhance your JEE preparation. You can embed external resources, such as helpful YouTube videos or important PDF documents, directly into your pages. Consider collaborating with study partners on shared Notion pages to discuss concepts and share insights. Additionally, use Notion's web clipper to quickly save relevant articles and online resources for later review.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.